If you are an apparel manufacturer, let me ask you one question. Why is it that some factories are always running at full capacity while other factories are constantly chasing buyers? They have similar machinery, similar workers, often similar product, but completely different outcomes. After working with over 200 fashion brands globally, I have realized something. Most factories do not have a manufacturing problem. They have a customer acquisition problem. Now, let me help you understand. Most factories still depend on one of these three ways to acquire customer. Number one, trade shows. Number two, marketplaces. Number three, buying agent. Now, nothing is wrong with these options, but think about it. A trade fair might cost you thousands of dollars even before you have spoken to a prospective customer for the first time. Similarly, marketplaces gives you leads after leads, but they really don't care much about the conversion. And buying agents, they get paid irrespective of whether you get paid or you are making a loss. And all of this is happening while your machines are sitting idle, your overhead continues to rise, and your factory still has salaries to pay whether you have orders or not. Now, here is something that very few factory owners actually think about. The problem is not getting more inquiries or more buyers. The problem is to get to the right buyer. So if your factory specializes in heavyweight hoodies in large volumes, why are you wasting time talking to baby onesie brand that does only 200 units? If you have spent 10 years building your expertise in knitwear, why you want to talk to someone for wovens, for example? Why are you competing for every inquiry that comes along your way? Growth does not happen because you talk to hundreds of buyers. Growth happens because you talk to the right buyer. At Hula Global, we have spent years building relationships with brands across US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Middle East. Our role is not simply to introduce you to buyers. In fact, we become your buyers, and for our brands, we become their suppliers on record. Think of us as a commercial bridge between you and the buyers. And we handle everything in between: logistics, door-to-door delivery, financing, buyer communication, trade assurance. Everything that usually becomes a headache for a factory, we come in and solve those issues. But before we work with any factory, we spend weeks, in fact months, verifying them, because we believe buyers deserve reliable suppliers and suppliers deserve reliable buyers. So in this full video, I'll walk you through exactly how our factory onboarding process works, who should apply, who should absolutely not apply, how we verify factories, what buyers actually look for, and why we reject so many applications. So if you are serious about growing your apparel export business, watch the full video. The link is below in the description. I'll see you there.